Welcome and good evening, everyone. I am Soyeda Tasfia Hassan, and today our team will be presenting a report on the topic pollution.
Hello, everyone. Today, our group will talk about a very important topic, which is pollution. Pollution is a big problem in many countries around the world, including Malaysia. It affects our daily life and the environment around us. In this presentation, we will explain what pollution is, what causes pollution, and how it affects people and nature. We also hope this presentation can help everyone understanding why pollution is an important issue today. This report has several objectives. First, we want to explain what pollution is. Second, we want to find the causes of pollution in Malaysia. Third, we will look at how pollution affects people, society, and the environment. Finally, we will discuss pollution from a social science perspective.
Hello everyone, and I'm talking about the definition of term. So what is pollution? Pollution is introduction of harmful substance into the environment, so cause damage to ecosystem and living organism. So the pollution got three pollution. So first is air pollution and water pollution, and the last is land pollution. Now we're talking about the cause of pollution. So the first is industrialization and urbanization, and the second is consumer current and the overconsumption, and lack of the environmental awareness, and the last is the weak enforcement of the environmental laws.
Hello everyone, I would like to talk about the impacts of pollution on society and the recent pollution status in Malaysia. Pollution has serious impacts on society. Air pollution harms public health, and they cause breathing problems, heart disease, and other illnesses. When more people become sick, healthcare costs increase and works become less productive, which can slow economic development. Water pollution is also a major concern. When rivers are contaminated by industrial and household waste, communities may also lose access to clean water. In Malaysia, river pollution has even caused the water supply disruptions and harm the aquatic life, affecting fishing and tourism. Land pollution caused by poor waste management and plastic waste damages soil and natural habitats. In cities, unmanaged waste can lower living standards. Now, let us look at some recent pollution status in Malaysia. Air pollution in Malaysia is measured using the Air Pollutant Index, or API, by the Department of Environment Malaysia. Between 2021 and 2023, Malaysia experienced several periods of unhealthy air quality, especially during regional heat events. In 2023, some areas recorded API readings above 100, which is considered unhealthy. Water pollution is also a continuing issue. Reports from the Department of Environment Malaysia show that around 25 to 30% of until the rivers were classified as slightly polluted between 2019 and 2023. Some pollution incidents even forced the water treatment plants to close, temporarily affecting millions of consumers in Sri Lanka. In addition, Malaysia produces about 38,000 to 40,000 tons of solid waste every day, with plastic waste making up a larger portion. Although recycling rates are improving, they are still below national targets.
Hello everyone, many studies show pollution comes from fast industry growth. Factories release more waste and bad gas into the air. Herds make air dirty and bring bricks, snakes. Factory and dump waste into rivers, haunting water life. Plastic waste is hard to manage. To stop this, the government needs stricter rules. Companies should use cleaner way. We should use less plastic and recycle more. Together we can make Malaysia cleaner and healthier. Thank you.
I will now explain how social science theory, especially conflict theory, helps us look at the pollution problem. Conflict theory says that unfairness in society comes from powerful industries that care more about making money than protecting the environment. These industries often ignore the environment, and this causes pollution that hurts communities, especially the most vulnerable people. Pollution is not just an environmental problem, but also a social fairness problem. This is because it affects the health and daily lives of low-income communities the most.
Until now, we have seen our teammates present the different sides of pollution to you. And from what we can see is that pollution is not just an environmental issue, it poses a serious threat to our health, our ecosystem, and our economy. If pollution continues to increase, the damage to our environment might be long-term and difficult to reverse, which is why stronger policies, better environmental management, and social awareness is so crucial. Each of us play a part in protecting the planet, and only through responsible actions and sustainable development we can ensure a safer and healthier planet for our future generations to come. This was the end of our presentation. Thank you so much, everyone.